Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix an iPhone camera blinking or flickering issue. If your iPhone's camera exhibits a flickering effect, you may face challenges capturing clear photos or videos. This flicker may present itself as a rapid shutter movement or a screen anomaly, which might induce blurriness in images or video recordings. Additionally, flickering can be intermittent or persistent, impacting either the default camera app or third-party applications such as Instagram, and may affect front and back camera functionality across various iPhone models. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clear the iPhone's RAM. Excessive background processes can slaughter your device and may affect camera operation. Although clearing RAM is not a standard resolution for camera issue, some users may find it helpful. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Touch option. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Enable Assistive Touch on the iPhone, and then go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Shutdown. Then slide to Power Off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is disconnect the AirPods or disable Bluetooth. There are reports that suggest Bluetooth connections might impact camera performance. Although this is not a documented issue, for this go to Settings and then go to Bluetooth and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is disable night mode. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Camera app, tap on it and then tap on Preserve Settings. Here you can see that option of night mode. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. The next step is adjust the camera exposure. In the Camera app, select the photo mode and adjust the camera exposure on the iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is match video FPS to light frequency. Misalignment between the camera's FPS and artificial lighting frequency could cause flickering. Adjust the FPS could resolve this. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then go to Camera app, tap on it and then tap on Record Video. Choose a frame rate such as 4K at 30 FPS, honoring the power supply standard of your location, be it 50Hz or 60Hz, and restart the iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is reset all iPhone settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset and then tap Reset All Settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone camera blinking or flickering issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.